Hey everyone, Logan here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, and today I have my first 2024 Tidewater 232 SS. And what I want to show you is the new standard features you're going to see on the 232 models. That includes the SS model, the LXF, and the CC Adventure. So diving right on in, first thing we're going to see is our transom C-mat here is going to be standard. Little piece on the starboard. We go ahead and flip on over here to the port side. Just a nice little touch. Walking on into the transom, taking a look at the dash. Now for model year 2024, you're going to get your Yamaha CL5 gauge. It's going to be standard. And what that is going to show you is all your Yamaha engine data. And it's nice to have it separate from your GPS, because that allows the GPS to do exactly what it's supposed to do, which is find the fish and be a GPS. In addition, you're also going to get your NMEA 2K network, and that's going to be found back on in here where all the wires are in your center console. And what that allows you to do is, if you wanted to, you can integrate your engine data into your GPS. You can also tie in other electronics into that so they can all talk to each other. Up here on the top of the center console, we're going to see our compass, now standard. Flipping around here, taking a look at the leaning post. The what used to be upgraded, but now is standard deluxe drop-down bolster leaning post. White powder coated, and also does have armrests as well. In addition, your white interior with cool to the touch black accents is going to be standard now for this year too. The last thing that is not necessarily a standard feature, but if you do upgrade to the Yamaha 300, you're now going to get this engine over here. And this is the Yamaha 4.2 liter V6 300 engine. And the coolest thing here with this engine, if you decide to upgrade, is that it's going to have your DES integrated steering. So digital electronic steering, real easy, clean wiring there too as well. Folks, thanks for watching this quick video on the Tidewater 232 models and your new standard features. If y'all have any questions, reach out, let me know how I can help. Have fun out there in the water and be safe.